Welcome to apartment number 4 at building 1930 here at Brick Row in North Bennington. Another Shires housing unit. And as you enter, you come right into the brand new kitchen, complete with hardwood flooring. This is a handicap accessible apartment. And as you come around the corner, you come into the living area. And this has a nice little extra storage behind that door, which is a nice feature. And we come through here to the bedroom. And a nice, good sized bedroom here. Looking over towards the bathroom. And it does have some brickwork revealed as part of the rehabilitation here. It's nice that they kept that architectural detail. And coming around the corner to the handicap accessible bathroom, full bathroom. So if you're looking for a really lovely one-bedroom apartment that has these nice handicap accessible features, this could be the perfect apartment for you.